pitch climbing, or if I just want to build an anchor, I can make a V-thread. And I'm looking for a place that's going to be good ice, that's going to be pretty easy to make it in. Again, I want to try to avoid bulges, but they're oftentimes going to be the best places to make a V-thread because I don't have to move a lot of the ice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a hole that connects that I can thread a cord through. Okay? I can take my screws out. Spot. And I'm going to go in at an angle. And then I'm going to try to make the hole from another screw connect with it. And if you want longer screws, sharper screws, for this, the longer the screw, the more ice I have back there. If I'm using short screws, I just don't have a whole lot of ice, right? Behind these, you'll see. Just a minute. Get this going. Whoop. That's okay. So I'm going to knock it all off of there. Down to some better ice. And again, I'm looking for that nice core of ice coming out. Feeling for nice consistency.
Wow.
Yeah, this is good ice down here. You can see how this is all nice and blue or green. It doesn't have a lot of air in it. If my screw was sharper, it'd look a lot firm. Okay, so now I'm going to back this one out. And some people take this screw out of here, but I like to leave it in as a visual so I can see the angle and where I'm trying to connect. Bash a little bit off of here. Watch your eyes. Okay, so now what I'm going to try to do is get this in here. So I'm going to be at the similar angle to connect the holes. So once I get the threads to bite a little bit, I'm going to look at the side. Make sure I like my angle.
A V-thread.
Okay, now once I get that going on, I'm going to back this one out because I don't want to shove that screw into the middle of this one. I just kept that there so I could see the angle. And now I can look through this hole and see if I connect. And I do, just there.
Look at that.
Just enough. Cordelettes with you for your anchors. And I'll always carry a little bit of extra cordelette in my kit. And I've got a tool called a V-thread tool. And it's got a little hook on the end of it.
Nice.
Secret weapon.
How do you do that?
Right, so now, blow that out of there. I'm going to poke this through one end. Reach around in there.
That's what you... Oh, magic.